My dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. Let's prepare Pappu Telagapindi Curry. Pappu or dal is pigeon peas lentils and Telagapindi is defatted sesame flour. Pappu Telagapindi Curry is an Andhra traditional dish that is deliciously tasty and filled with nutrition. This versatile Telagapindi is in a powder form which is processed, extracted, and the leftover pulp is ground to powder from sesame seeds oil. It has numerous health benefits, of which calcium, protein, fiber, iron, and many other minerals play a vital role in Telagapindi. Telagapindi is amazingly superpower food for the lactating mothers as it provides essentially good nutrients and builds up strength. Pappu Telagapindi is quite simple and easy to prepare. As we move on to prepare this healthy dish, please do subscribe Siri Kitchen Moments channel. Here's how we prepare an easy Pappu Telagapindi. Firstly, take 1 cup tur dal or pigeon peas lentils, wash twice and add 3 cups water. In a saucepan, combine lentils and water and boil on medium flame until the dal softens. Make sure the dal doesn't get mushy. When the dal is perfectly boiled, turn off the stove and set it aside. Take 1 cup Telagapindi in a bowl and keep aside. In another saucepan, pour 2 cups water, add little salt and let boil the water. When the water comes to a rolling boil, slowly add Telagapindi and stir on low flame. Keep stirring continuously until Telagapindi absorbs the water and thickens like a smooth dough consistency. Turn off the stove and transfer to another bowl and set it aside. In a mortar and pestle, add 8 garlic pods and crush coarsely and set it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet on a medium heat. Add chana dal, urad dal, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, dry red chilies broken, curry leaves, and crushed garlic. Stir well on low flame until the seasoning turns light golden color and also until the garlic rawness disappears. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Remember that we added salt while cooking Telagapindi, so be mindful while adding salt again at this stage. Add just as per your taste. When the seasoning is nice and golden, add cooked Telagapindi and keep stirring continuously. Make sure the bottom of the skillet doesn't burn or sticks, so keep stirring on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add cooked dal to the Telagapindi mix and give a stir. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder and mix well. Cover with the lid and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and give a light stir. Again, cover with the lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and gently mix the curry. Pappu Telagapindi curry is ready. Turn off the stove and is ready to be transferred to a serving dish. Serve this most healthy and nutritious Pappu Telagapindi curry with piping hot white rice. It tastes great and provides immense strength. Especially prepare and serve this Pappu Telagapindi curry to the lactating mothers. This is such a light dish that is easy going for the lactating mothers and gives them all the essential nutrients they require. If you like this recipe, please give a like to this video. Share this amazingly healthy and nutritious recipe with your loved ones. For many more feel-good recipes, please subscribe Siri Kitchen Moments channel and click the bell icon to receive the latest video notifications. Do try this Pappu Telagapindi recipe and comment your feedback.